Hello class, welcome to today's session. Today we are beginning with one small story of a Jim Corbett जो एक शिकारी था और शिकारी का हृदय परिवर्तन हो गया, उसका माइंड बदल गया और वो इतना अच्छा इंसान बन गया कि आज उसके नाम पे जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क है और हम लोग वहाँ पे घूमने जाते हैं जहाँ पे जानवरों का शिकार नहीं होता, अब उनकी देखभाल होती है। चलिए देखते हैं वीडियो के थ्रू।
Edward James Corbett, popularly known as Jim Corbett, was a British wildlife photographer, hunter, tracker, naturalist, and writer. He has hunted a number of man-eating tigers and leopards in India. He had a lot of experience with tigers and other wild animals to shoot with his cinefilm camera. Corbett always preferred to hunt alone and on foot. He often hunted with Robin, his dog. Though he was an expert hunter, he admired wildlife. He did not like to kill wild animals for pleasure or sport. But he did not hesitate to kill man-eating tigers or leopards. He hunted these animals only to help people and only at the request of the government. He took no joy from the kill. He often said that not against the law of nature but against the laws of humor. According to his theory, a tiger starts eating humans when they grow old or get hurt. As they cannot run fast, they start killing humans. People cannot run as fast as animals, so they become easy prey. After eating human flesh once, a tiger will not eat any other flesh. These tigers are called man-eaters. His first man-eating tiger hunt was the Champawat tiger. It was a Bengal tigress responsible for nearly 436 deaths in Nepal and the Kumaon area of India. Her attacks have been listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as the highest number of fatalities from a tiger. She was shot in 1907 by Jim Corbett.
Have you seen anything?
हाँ साहब, शेर का पंजा देखा वहाँ पर बहुत बड़ा साहब, जिंदगी में पहली बार देखा।
The tigress began her attacks in a rural village in western Nepal, Himalayas. Hunters were sent to kill the tiger, but she managed to escape from them. The Nepalese army, after failing to capture or kill the tiger, drove her across the border into India. There she continued her killings in the Kumaon district. All her kills happened during the daylight. After several incidents, people stopped going into the forest to collect firewood, fruits, roots, and other things. They were terrified to go out and refused to leave their huts for work after hearing her roar from the forest. The British government requested Jim Corbett to help the villagers. He agreed to hunt down the man-eater.
So summary कहता हूँ I have a dream की एक्चुअली ये पोएम जो है वो इंस्पायरली ली गई है फ्रॉम द किंग मार्टिन लूथर की शॉर्ट स्टोरी थी। इस फर्स्ट स्टैंजा में पोएट बोलता है कि सारी चीज़ों को इकट्ठा करके जब सपने देखते हैं
He camped in the
और वो बड़े
Kumayan
होते हैं
district
तो ऐसा लगता है कि
and
दादी माँ की
started tracking
कहानी
the
है
tigress.
जो हमेशा सपनों में ही अच्छी लगती होती है।
He moved
उसके
around the
बाद
villages
सपना
and
एक
restricted
फैंटेसी
the
है,
activities of the
एक
man-eater.
ख्वाब है, एक ऐसा डे ड्रीम है जिसको सच
After
करना
several
शायद
unsuccessful attempts,
नामुमकिन है।
Corbett managed
अब
to kill the
ये
tiger
मुमकिन
when
को
it killed a
नामुमकिन और
16-year-old
नामुमकिन को
girl
मुमकिन करना
in the village
इंसान
near
के खुद के हाथ
Champawat
में होता है।
and left a
और
trail of
जिसने
blood
इसे
which Corbett followed.
So students,
After
I
a
hope you
whole
have
day
been
of
learned
pursuit,
what
Corbett
is
had
about
to
the Bengal
abandon
seller
the hunt,
is been given in
decided
this
to
part,
use villages
and we
and
are
to
going to
organize
meet
a
very
bait
soon
the
for
next
upcoming
day near
chapters
the
in the
Champa
next
river.
session. Till then, goodbye and enjoy the videos.
With the help of the Tahsildar of Champawat, the bait was organized with about 300 villages. The next day, Corbett shot the tigress dead near the Chattar Bridge in Champawat. A cement board was erected marking the place where the tigress was finally brought down. A postmortem on the tigress showed the upper and lower canine teeth on the right side of her mouth were broken. The upper one in half, the lower one right down to the bone. This injury was a result of an old gunshot from a game hunter who failed to track and kill it. According to Corbett, probably this injury prevented her from hunting her natural prey and hence she started to hunt humans. Jim Corbett was always against game hunting. He strongly advocated that deforestation and human encroachment were the main cause of the mischief of wild animals.
So students,
He
I
went
hope
on
you have
lecturing
got the
to
story
educate
and
the
you have been
people
enjoyed the
about
video.
their natural
Wait for our upcoming
heritage
videos.
and the need
Goodbye.
to conserve forests and their wildlife. He promoted the Association for the Preservation of Game and the All India Conference for the Preservation of Wildlife. He played a key role in establishing India's first national park in the Kumaun Hills, the Haley National Park in Uttarakhand, India. It was initially named after Lord Malcolm Haley. Jim Corbett died on 19th April 1955. The park was renamed in 1957 as the Jim Corbett National Park. It was named after him to honor his role in establishing this protected area in 1930s.
Yes student, I hope you have been liked this story and आप भी हमेशा एनिमल्स का नेचुरल हैबिटेट्स का ध्यान रखिएगा अपनी लाइफ में और अच्छे अच्छे काम करिएगा. Thank you for today video. We are going to meet very soon.